Hello and welcome back to In-Comm Training Services YouTube channel. I am Leanne Nee, the founder of the STEM Workshop, and I'm here to set you another STEM challenge. This challenge is linked to precision engineering and fabrication. The company that it's linked to is called Brandauer, and they are based in the Midlands, and they focus on all aspects of precision engineering, from press stamping to tool making to prototyping. They offer a range of services linked to engineering. So the challenge that we're going to set you is to design and prototype a new innovative product using a singular sheet of material, in view of it being CNC machined and press formed afterwards into a functional product. So we want you to take a singular sheet. We're not going to limit you on size, but it has to be a single sheet. You can use paper or card to prototype, and we're going to talk you through the challenge in a bit more detail. So listen on and we'll talk you through each of the stages and give you some ideas of how you can explore this challenge. We hope you enjoy it, and we hope it provides an opportunity for you to demonstrate your skill set and knowledge and understanding of engineering and manufacturing. Then let's have a look at challenge 3. We've asked you to design and prototype a new innovative product using a singular sheet of material. We haven't specified the type of material and we haven't specified the size. That's up to you. But what we want this product to be, how we want it to be manufactured, is we want it to be CNC machined and then press formed. You might want to start looking at the company and what the company does. So Brandauer is one of the largest contract presswork and metal stamping companies in Europe, offering a complete range of services required for the supply of precision stamped metal components. So you might want to explore the work that they've done even before you start. Really important that you do your research into a company, especially if you're going to apply for a role within that company. So the first thing we'd think would be a good idea to do to start coming up with some solution is actually using the technique of sketch modelling. Rather than sketching, which you can do, that's absolutely fine, but I find that I can be a bit more creative and innovative with my ideas if I take a singular sheet of paper and I start modelling ideas with it. So for instance, all of these pieces of paper started off the same, but what we did is explored different ways of folding, different distances to fold in, curving, cutting and folding, and it gave us lots of different solutions, which could then in turn be turned into lots of different product types. So sketch modelling is a really good technique for loosening up your ideas and helping you to explore things and ideas that you wouldn't have previously thought of had you have not explored it in this way. So give it a go. Once you've had a go at exploring and experimenting with sheet material to see how you can manipulate it, start then thinking about identifying a problem or an opportunity. So start looking in and around your home at opportunities for a functional product, or design problems where you could find a designer product for. So here are some examples. One example that I'm looking for at the moment is a bracket for my bike, for storing it outside. So a bracket for a bike, there's a good problem there. Washing line hook, a lock for a shed, bracket for a hanging basket, magazine rack, storage for remotes, a drainer, a bookend, or a mug holder. So those are just some ideas of the types of opportunities and problems in and around the home where a sheet of material could be modified to design a functional product. Once you've identified a problem, then that's where you need to start gathering your data. So if you're designing a bike rack, for instance, you need to make sure that that bike rack is at the right height,
the right size to fit the bike model, etc. Or if it's holding several different bike models, you might want to take all measurements from all models and take the average. But then you need to start making a prototype. Now, one thing you need to know is that every engineer will make several prototypes before they've made their final one. So don't worry if the first one doesn't quite work out. That's part of the process of iteration. We design, we make, we evaluate, we revisit. And when you're working and prototyping in the home, you might be working with paper and cardboard, and you might not be able to simulate how that would behave compared to if you were manufacturing it from a metal. That's fine, but it's just to help you visualize and manufacture something that looks like that end product. So once you've made a prototype or several prototypes, then you need to think about how you're going to submit those to us. So you can either submit photographs with research, photographs and computer-aided design models if you wish. It's entirely up to you. But the evidence that you give us will be judged by an engineer within this field, and this will give you an opportunity to win one of our prizes, which is a £25 Amazon voucher. We hope you enjoy the challenge and we look forward to seeing your designs. Thank you for listening.